This last part of this video serves as instructions as well for installing this deal. So if you have switched to the new fuel rail, well, you're going to use your existing fuel line. You will cut a small piece out of it to get this right about here, and things work great right here because it can bang around. It really doesn't move too much and it doesn't hit anything. If you're going to use the stock fuel rail, well, you can manipulate things as needed, but you get it. This thing fits right about here, and your new line is going to come here and route underneath the tank. So things will come underneath the tank and they will come up in the middle here. And two things, you're going to get a clamp like this, which is great because if you need to take anything apart on the trail, you can just undo it, and this is how you easily get the tank off, because this will easily pull off of here, and yes, it will leak a few little drops of gas, but not much. And then you can just secure this right here. The fuel line stays right there. It's easy. Pull the tank off. This thing is right here for putting stuff back together, so you can see why this is much easier if ever needed than going the other route with a quick disconnect. One just smart, man. Little thing I got to tell you is, and this fits under the seat easy, right here. So this battery terminal cable, the positive, it likes to fall away. Here's your negative. There's zero cover on this thing. If you were monkeying around with this thing and something fell against these two things and arced up and you got gas fumes, it's disaster. So take a piece of tape. I use duct tape. I lay it across there and just kind of tape this thing up, and I leave this stuff in place just for ass coverage you don't want to blow up. Okay, well that's it. Thanks for watching.